In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create brushstroke effect in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear, using Canva's built-in tools so you can get a bold, painterly look without any complicated edits. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click on Elements. This is where Canva stores graphics, shapes, and one very useful feature we'll use today, frames. At the top of the Elements panel, there's a search bar. Type brushstroke frame. You're looking for results that are frames, not just static graphics. Frames are special placeholders that let an image snap into a shape automatically. They often show a sky and grass preview before you add your own photo. If you see a category labeled frames, click into it to narrow the results, and scroll to pick a brushstroke style you like. There are options from clean ink sweeps to messy paint dabs. Once you find a brushstroke frame that fits your vibe, click it to drop it onto your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners and rotate it using the rotate handle. If you're designing a thumbnail or social post, try placing it where you want your subject to stand out. And keep an eye on balance and white space so the layout doesn't feel crowded. Next, head back to the left toolbar and click Uploads. This is where your images live. If you've already uploaded a photo, you'll see it here. If not, you can upload from your computer. High-resolution images work best because the brush edges can be bold and you want the subject to look crisp inside the stroke. Now for the satisfying part. Drag your chosen image from the Uploads panel onto the brushstroke frame on your canvas. When you hover over the frame, you'll notice the image snaps inside it automatically. If you need to adjust the positioning, double-click the framed image to move it around within the stroke, or use the crop controls to zoom in or out. Aim to keep important details, like a face or product, centered within the bold painted edges. For polish, tweak the size and placement of the frame so it complements your overall layout, and make sure the image fills the frame without leaving unintended gaps. If the composition feels heavy on one side, nudge the frame or rotate it slightly until it looks balanced. That's it. You've created a brushstroke effect in Canva using a frame and your own image. It's quick, clean, and totally customizable, and you can reuse the same approach with different brush styles for a consistent visual theme across your designs.